Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Before we get started, I have to thank you all for joining us for our super chat last week on Friday. I actually had a blast. The time went by so fast. I don't know what I was so scared of. It was great. Thank you. Loved it. So, a lot of you have been asking, are you doing another one? Absolutely. When? Not sure yet. Stay tuned. With that, you were also asking us about the links. The links we talked about for the Ebates, the links we talked about for the registry, the wedding registry, and the link we talked about for our newsletter. Well, guess what? We have them all in the description right below this video. So, if you have more questions, go ahead and shoot us a comment and we'll be more than happy to answer them. With that being said, let's go to this week's project, which is sent to us by Venetia. And I hope I pronounced that right. So Venetia writes, "Hello, Miss Planet." Hi, Venetia. "I saw your last video on the floral chandelier. And today I saw another kind that I would also like to try. And I knew I could come to you for answers." That's what we're here for, Venetia. "I would like to try to make this for my bridal shower, depending on how difficult it is to pull off. I'm going to tell you right now, it's super simple. That's why the title is Simple Chandelier. The cost was $279 on the site I saw it on, and that is way too expensive." Are you kidding me? That is outrageous because, Venetia, we created this simple chandelier for under $50. Under $50. So, with that being said, guys, let's get started with this week's episode, Simple Chandelier. Let's go. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to attach your number 16 single jack chain to the wire wreath frame. And the way you're going to do this is you're going to open up one of the ends, one of the links, and you're going to simply put it on one of your spokes and then retighten it with, in this case, I'm using my wire cutters. I made each chain right at about 24 inches, 2 feet long. It's really up to you how long you want your chain to be, and that would depend on the height of your ceiling. Once you have all 4 chains attached to their individual spokes, you're then going to simply string the chain ends onto your shower hook. And it's very simple to do. So let's go ahead and get that step done. Next, we're going to attach these 2 battery-operated strand lights to our wireframe using green floral tape. I like using the floral tape because it blends in very nicely with the frame so that your battery pack just kind of blends away. Now it's time for the fun part. We're going to now start attaching our wisteria stems. So for the outer rim, I'm going to use these wisteria stems that are right at about 20 inches long. We're going to attach them to our outermost rim of our wire wreath using floral wire. And you're just going to twist tie them on. Real simple. Easy peasy. To create the dimension that we see in our inspiration piece, we're now going to attach about approximately 6-inch long wisteria vines to the innermost part of our wreath, using the same technique with our floral wire. Be sure to space them halfway between each of the longer stems on the outside wire, repeating that same pattern all the way around. Using floral wire and the remaining wisteria vines, you're going to cover the underside of your wire wreath frame. It's very simple. Just take your time and twist away. The final touch is to add gem garland. Now, the length of the garland is completely up to you. I had mine right at about 18 inches long, but you can have it shorter or longer, whatever you like. Remember, we give you the plan, you take it and run with it. Well, Venetia, we hope we made this chandelier as simple as it is beautiful. We are so excited this is going to be a very special part of your bridal shower. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and like us. Subscribe so you can be one of the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. Also, send us a comment, drop us some words of encouragement. They go such a long way. If you would like to follow us, you can follow us on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We also would love to invite you to check out our fantastic website, MissPlanIt.com, where you can find wonderful coupon options, wedding registry, and our fantastic newsletter. Also, those links to all of those items are in the description below this video, right along with the supply list and the total project cost, which was under $50. Well, guys, until next time, we would just want to say thank you for taking the time to join us. We know you have so many options, and we will see you next week. Don't forget, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. See you next week. Take care. Bye now.